Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. Now, from the title of the video, this video will be about how you can apply for the refunds free of charge, okay? Now, Temu has a first free return policy for 2026, and I'll tell you in this video how you can use that to your advantage. Some people might not know about this and they make mistakes and end up paying for returns. I mean, it's not a nice experience when you have to return a damaged item and you have to end up paying for it. No. If you're using the Temu app correctly, you can return any damaged item or whatever item you want to return free of charge, okay? This video will guide you through on what to do. Now, the first thing you do is this. Once you get your Temu order, okay, click on your orders, and all your orders that has been delivered or on its way to you will be on this page. All right, this is your orders page. Here we have all orders, processing, shipped, delivered, returns. Okay, now we'll go back to all orders. I will use my last delivered order to show an example, but before I proceed, you should know that Temu has a first free return policy for the first 3 months. All right, attach a picture on the screen. You can pause this particular part of the video to read about it. Now I'll use this order. All right, I click on the arrow right here and it comes up here, return or refund. Once you click on the order and this option, return or refund, is here, it means you still have the opportunity to return the order. But if you check here and on these dots and it's not there, that means the 3 months has elapsed and you cannot return it anymore. So I'll click on return or refund. I'm asked if I received my package. Yes, and I'll just pick a random item here to return. Okay, I'll pick one and I'm asked for the reason for return. I'll pick anything. Of course, I'll cancel this because I really do not want to return anything. I have to give a reason I want to return. Okay. Then click on next step. And I'm asked again if I really want to return this and everything. Say yes and confirm. All right. Now, I advise this. If you want your money refunded to you as soon as possible, always choose the Temu Credit balance. I mean, for your refund method, it's way faster and easier. Okay, so that is one tip I will be sharing in this video. But if you choose to get the money back via your original payment, maybe you paid through PayPal or you paid through your debit card, it might take a bit of time. All right, but if you use the Temu Credit, just as it says here, receive in seconds, immediately you're getting your money back. You can always use it to shop on the Temu app, during your next order or whenever it is you want to shop. Is way better. So that's one tip I'm giving us here to make sure that you get your money back. Okay, so go ahead and choose your refund method and then you submit. I really do not want to go through with this, so I can't go further because once I do that, a return label will be created for me and I don't want to do that. So once you click on submit, once you choose your refund method and click on submit, of course, the return label will be created for you, and just take it up from there. Print out the label and take it to the center where you have to return the item, and they scan it and get it from you, and that's it. Once Temu gets the item and they go through it and they see that it's in good shape, you get your money back. Another tip I'll share is this. Once you get an item, when you're unboxing or unwrapping whatever item, do it carefully. Do not destroy the packet. For those that comes in cartons, do not destroy it until you're sure that you're keeping the item, because if you destroy the packaging totally, and maybe at the end of the day you want to return it, it's going to be a problem for you. So whatever items that comes in a carton or like a fancy packaging, try to open it in a very careful way so that when you're returning it and they get the item back, they will surely refund your money in full. Okay, that's another tip I am sharing. I have a similar video on how to do your refund methods. That one is really, really explanatory and step by step. All right, although I didn't share these tips in that video, so I'll attach that video in my description if you want to get more information about how to do your refund on Temu for free. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.